Hi everybody, today we're looking at the Injora chassis. This is the single speed clone from the SCX10 II, I believe. In the previous video I just showed you a quick unboxing and what are the features, and today I'm just gonna show you the progress of the upgrades or things that I changed in order to fit the hard body from killer body to make it flat, nice and low. So let's start in the front. This chassis requires the 540 spec motor, which is the Fusion SE. It's perfect for it, but the problem is, even if you fit the 540 here, you need to flip or you need to shape some thing in the servo holder or the front bumper in order to fit. In this case I flipped mine and then shaved just a little bit from here underneath to make it fit. And by the way, I'm using the stock servo from my TRX4, which is I believe like 15 kg. Since this is a budget build for your scale, so I tend to use my old electronics. And speaking of budget build, I'm using the Injora receiver. This is, you can purchase like a dirt cheap from AliExpress, and basically this is your setup. This is your servo, motor, receiver, and this is your on and off button for the quick Fusion SE, and basically that's it. All you have to do is just connect the battery here and you're good to go. Now I'm loving this setup, which is super clean. Now we go to the back. Originally there is a shock tower here out of the box, but since I'm using the killer body LC70, I like to sit in low as possible, like what I did to the shocks. So this is the shock that came with the chassis, but the spring is, I forgot where I get it, but as you can see, this is now much smaller than normal ones. The stock ones is up to here, like 90 mm, and this is like half of it. So this cantilever kit is from Amazon. I forgot which, actually it didn't say which brand, but looks nice. It does the job. But you can also fill these shocks with oil, but in my case I didn't. I just test it first and then I'll show you later.